Hi, Ryan Barker with the Home Run team at Abbey Realty. If you bought a house in Montgomery County within 2020, here's a video on how you can save 15 to 20% on your property taxes. If you have any questions on the video, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to help you. Thanks. All right, here we go. So the first thing I want you to do is go down to the video description, and that contains a link that takes you to the Montgomery County Appraisal District. So click on that link and it'll take you to the forms home, and click on register new account. Go ahead and fill in your email and set up a password and hit register account. And then it'll tell you to put in your email and it'll send you a registration email. Go ahead and go to that email, click the link to activate your account, fill in the electronic communication agreement with your email and your name, and then under submit new form, click Homestead Exemption once it takes you to that new screen. So click Homestead Exemption, and that's where it takes you to the actual form that you fill in the majority of the information that we're going to go through. So under Homestead Exemption, under General Information, we will be clicking the box 2021 as our tax year that we're filing, because you did not live in the house for the full year in 2020, and fill in the rest of the information there. Going down to box number 2, we're going to select the General Residence Homestead Exemption. Of course, if you qualify for any of the other boxes below, go ahead and click those. Then step number 3, if you're single, click the single. If you're married, go ahead and click married couple and put your spouse's information. Now for this, you will have to not only put in your information, spouse's information, but you're going to have to also take a picture of your driver's license and your spouse's driver's license and upload those as a part of this step. Now on that driver's license, it does need to reflect your new address in Montgomery County. So if you haven't yet updated your driver's license, do that ASAP, because that will be required in order to be able to file your homestead exemption, is that accurate address on your driver's license. So keep in mind, if you don't have that driver's license just yet, you have until April 30th to finish filing your homestead exemption. So there's not a huge rush, but go ahead and get your driver's license updated first. All right, going down to number 4. So date that you acquire the property, that's going to be your closing date. And then date that you began to occupy. So when did you actually receive possession of the property, if there was a lease back or that information. Then on property ID, this gets a little bit nebulous here. So on property ID, what I would encourage you to do is go to the MCAD website and look up your address. And then from there, that will also show you your property ID and legal description, and also the acres. That'll be under that information of your address on MCAD. So go check that out. Going past number 4, I think everything else is pretty explanatory there. Going to number 5, if there's any other relevant information, go ahead and fill that in for them. And then signature, you'll have to do your signature there as the homeowner, and printed name as well, and sign. So going down to 7, there's a lot more information there. Of course, if you have any other questions about the information that's there under 7, because I know it gets a little bit nebulous and there's a lot of info, please don't hesitate to reach out. Once you've filled in everything and signed, go ahead and submit, and you should get a confirmation email from MCAD that your homestead exemption is filed, and you will be able to save 15 to 20% on your property taxes for your home. I hope today's video has been helpful for you. I'm currently trying to build a significant source of my business from referrals. So if you or anyone you know has any real estate needs, buying or selling or investing this spring, I'd love the opportunity to serve you. Please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll put my contact information in the video description below. Thanks again for watching. God bless.